Your model works perfectly in testing. You deploy it, it crashes on the first real prediction. If the error mentions a feature that's missing or a mismatch in feature names, this is why. Here is what happened. Somewhere in your pipeline, a column like city, Bangalore, Mumbai, and Delhi got converted into numbers. That conversion is called one-hot encoding. Instead of one column with text labels, you get one new column per category, each holding a 1 or a 0. Bangalore becomes city underscore Bangalore equals 1 and everything else 0. Mumbai becomes city underscore Mumbai equals 1 and everything else 0. Models only understand numbers. They can't do math on the word Bangalore. One-hot encoding is how you hand the model categorical data without inventing a fake ranking. Because if you just label cities 1, 2, 3, the model would assume Delhi is greater than Bangalore, which is meaningless. Here is the one-line code that does it. Using scikit-learn's one-hot encoder, fit underscore transform does two things at once. It learns every category it sees in your training data and converts them right there. That's it. That's the whole operation. Here is the part that actually breaks in production. A very common shortcut is pandas get dummies instead of scikit-learn's encoder. Call it separately on your training set and your test set, and you can get a different number of columns each side. Training data had Bangalore, Mumbai, and Delhi, three new columns. Your test set only had Bangalore and Mumbai that day, two columns. Now, your model expects three inputs and gets two. This results in a crash. This is exactly the error you saw at the start of this video. The real one, not a mock-up. The fix is what you just saw a moment ago. Fit the encoder once on training data only and reuse that same encoder. Never regenerate columns independently on new data. And to be precise about what's actually broken here, it's not that pandas is bad and scikit-learn is good. If you called fit underscore transform a second time on your test set instead of transform, scikit-learn would break the exact same way because fit underscore transform forgets what it learned and relearns from what it's given. The rule isn't use this library. It's fit once, transform everywhere. Never fit twice. One more thing to watch for, this only works cleanly when you don't have too many categories. A city column with 5 values is fine. A user ID column with 50,000 unique values turns into 50,000 new columns. And now, your dataset is enormous and mostly zeros. That's usually a sign you need a different technique entirely, which is in its own video. If you have hit this missing feature error before, now you know why. Full code is in the description.